What's going on, guys? Welcome to Pizza Party. I'm your host today, Chef Matt, here at Blackstone, and today we're going to be making my favorite pizza of all time, the Vodka Sauce Pizza. Where I discovered my love for vodka sauce on pizza is actually in New York City. From the first day we were there and we landed, we're talking to the concierge of the hotel and just locals and all that, and they're like, oh, while you're here, if you're going to one pizza place, you have to go to Prince Street Pizza. Their special was a vodka sauce pizza, and we ended up ordering that. It was the best slice of pizza I've ever had. It was just so well balanced. It was creamy, it was tangy, it was acidic. It was just everything you wanted from a slice of pizza. I couldn't even speak. I just had to eat the whole slice just immediately. So yeah, that's one of my favorite food memories of all time. I think about that pizza constantly. So today I'm gonna be showing you how to make vodka sauce and how to make the most delicious vodka sauce pizza you've ever had. So the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a medium-sized sauce pot. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of butter, 1 diced yellow onion, and then 3 cloves of garlic sliced. Pinch of salt, a pinch of chili flake. We're gonna cook that for about 10 minutes, soften it up. And then once those onions are sweated and they're nice and tender, we're gonna add a whole tube of tomato paste. And then we're gonna stir that up, let a fond kind of build at the bottom of the pot. We're gonna cook that for about 3 minutes, and then we're gonna add a can of tomatoes. Cook that for 10 minutes, break up the chunks of tomatoes, and then once that's cooked for 10 minutes, we'll add a cup of heavy cream. Stir that around, blend it up, add 2 ounces of grated Parmesan cheese, mix that in, and then a 1/4 cup of vodka, and make sure you cook that for about 4 to 5 minutes so you cook that alcohol off. Then we have our sauce. Make sure you try it, adjust it for salt and pepper, and then we're ready to make a pizza. Right here I have 1 portion of our Blackstone fast rise pizza dough. If you want to learn how to make that, check the description. We have a video outlining how to make that dough and how to launch a pizza for your first time. So yeah, we'll take our dough, form it out to the size that we want. We'll take the vodka sauce, spread it from edge to edge. Again, the vodka sauce is the star of this pizza, so we want a good amount of that so it comes through. And then we're gonna take some whole milk mozzarella, just broken into pieces, and just put it over the top of the pizza. It doesn't have to completely cover the top. You want a little bit of that sauce to come through. And then launch your pizza. Cook it for about a minute until the crust is starting to leopard and darken and get a little crunchy. After a minute of cooking, we're gonna pull that pizza out, throw on a big handful of thick cut pepperoni, put that back in the pizza oven, cook it for another 30 seconds, and then pull it out and it's ready to go, and it looks amazing. You can see the pepperoni is curled up. You've got those little pools of oil, the cheese is melted and kind of infused into the sauce. The sauce is like almost reduced a little bit onto the pizza crust. It's just amazing. So yeah, I'm really excited to take a bite of this and try it. Oh, that is amazing. That sauce just balances everything so well. This is just incredible. You guys have to try this. Thank you so much for watching. The full recipe for this pizza will be posted online at blackstoneproducts.com. Let us know down in the comments if you have any questions about pizza. Be sure to check us out on social and on the Blackstone Network. Thanks again for watching and have a great day.